Okay, so I did my project on a proton moving through a magnetic field. Proton enters a magnetic field, and as it exits an x distance below where it enters, giving the following details, which I will write down. Find the velocity that it enters the field at and travels through the field, and the radius / distance that exits the field. Force is equal to the centripetal force, and all of the numbers are not realistic. I just made them up because I decided to. Alright, so we are looking for V, velocity, radius. We have force that is traveling it, the charge, the magnetic field, 1.7 Tesla, F equals FC, and M equals 1.67 times 10 to the negative 24 grams. Okay, so the first one we are going to use is the force formula, using the magnetic field, the velocity, and the charge, except we are going to change it to V equals FQB. Then V equals 5 times 10 to the negative 3 over 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 times 1.7, where the velocity ends up equaling 1.84 times 10 to the 16 meters per second. Alright, so, and the velocity is perpendicular to the magnetic field, so the original equation is sine theta. Theta equals 90, sine of 90 equals when? So this is negligent, we don't worry about that. Alright, so now we want to find the radius and centripetal force. The centripetal force is equal, so QVB equals MV squared over R equals MV squared over R, because F equals FC. This equals FC, this is F. Even these out, obviously we get rid of this, we get rid of this, because this is to the second, so it ends up just being 1, and then you get QB equals MV over R, and that's goes down to R equals MV over QB, in which we get R equals 1.67 times 10 to the negative 24 times 1.84 times 10 to the 16, all over what we also did over there, 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 times 1.7, which ends up coming out at R equals 1.14 times 10 to the 11 meters, which very obviously is a very, very large magnetic field, and it is traveling very, very, very fast. This is all due to the fact that I made the force a little too high, but that's okay, because all the numbers are not realistic. They're just supposed to be representative of how to do the formula, which I am pretty sure I did right. So that is my project, just a very fast moving proton moving through a very large magnetic field.